Today we've got a great recipe for Louisiana gumbo, and we're going to be cooking it in a new electric pressure cooker unit. These things are very popular now and lots of people have them but really don't know how to use them. This gumbo is very quick and easy. You don't have to spend a whole lot of time over the stove making gumbo anymore, and it tastes great. We're going to get this gumbo started by adding our sausage first, and we're using the brown function or searing function on this unit. Get that good and brown. This is 1.5 lengths of smoked sausage. Then we're going to add our Trinity and get that browned a little bit in there. So we'll start with our onions. Add our bell pepper. A little bit of celery. And some garlic. We'll brown it really good. Let it meld together a little bit. These pressure cooker units are great for like busy weeknight meals, doing things quickly, but you could still have a healthy meal. Okay. We're going to add in a little bit of seasoning. I've got some dried thyme, some black pepper, and some salt. There's our seasoning. And at the end, you can add a little bit of Cajun seasoning if you like that. We're not going to make it too spicy. And it's all smelling really good already. Good to go. Okay, we're going to add in our chicken. We've got 2 pounds of boneless, skinless thighs right here. And the last things we're going to add in is our chicken stock. We've got 3.5 cups. And we're also going to add a 1/2 cup of roux. Okay. Stir that in good. We're going to put our lid on. Put it in the lock position. Make sure it's on closed or sealing. And we're going to put pressure cook. Okay, we're going to set this to 25 minutes. All these pressure cooker units are different, so the functions you'll have to learn how to use them. This one's going to set itself at 0, while it builds up to pressure. And once it does, the timer will go back to 25 minutes and it'll count down to your good Louisiana gumbo. So now that our gumbo is cooked, the timer has gone off, we're going to release the pressure. And you want to be careful when you're doing this because it will have steam that comes out very quickly. So you don't want to put your hand in front of it, definitely. Let's see how our gumbo turned out. Looks really good. The roux dissolved perfectly, and we've got a good Louisiana gumbo. Today we used this smaller pressure cooker unit to cook our rice. They are very versatile. You can cook rice, vegetables, meat, soups and stews like our gumbo, and there are different sizes that you can buy as well. This is a 4-quart here. We have the 6 quarts right here. They do sell an 8-quart and a 10-quart. That's a really big one. There are different price points for them as well. Some of them are very expensive. They get on up into the $200 range. Then there are lesser priced units like at the big box stores. This one runs about $59. We've paired our delicious Louisiana gumbo with a healthy salad. Go to our website for this Louisiana gumbo recipe and let's build a healthy plate.